Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and I'm in an attic today, and he's having airflow problems, and we found that the indoor coil is very dirty, and that the blower motor is also very dirty. But I came up here to the attic, and we found that there's several leaks in the plenum, which is, hold on a second here. This right here is the plenum. This right here is the plenum. And you can see like all these little edges, like there, all around here is leaking air. Also, all the connections, these are all original connections, are losing air there. So we need to replace all these here, including the plenum. The plenum is the box, ductboard box here. Replace that and put new ducts, new start collars in there, ducts coming out. So ducts going out to each one. Is that's the way to replace it. Replace them, get better airflow and things like that. So call us for our AC heating refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com, okay? Also look us up on YouTube under ABC Austin Service Express, okay? Thanks guys, see you in the next video.